What we're trying to build here is a high delta V, high thrust space vehicle with a cryo management system. It'll be the first of its kind.
Orbital Operations is a super scrappy, small team. The test team itself is only me as the full-time, and then we have an army of interns that go out to the field and help us with development of that test.
Any rocket testing is impossible without good test software. Before Revel, we had never run a single test. We had no data recording capabilities.
Using other softwares out there, either clunky or really expensive. And so Revel really was able to get us streamlined and do an automated test really quickly.
All it took was one demo, and it was like, this is exactly what we need. We were able to integrate the box within 24 hours. We were running 40 tests in one day.
I had my intern set up the GUI for the whole rocket engine test stand within a couple hours, and I was just like, okay, this is something else here. We were up and running within 24 hours and hot firing that very next day, which is insane amount of exponential growth.
First day of work, I come in, I'm like, okay, cool, what's going on? They're like, so we use Revel, and this is how we test things. It was pretty straightforward. All I had to do was press the edit button, put things where I wanted them, type in a couple things, and it just worked like magic. And of course, I had no experience with that before, and I was able to stand up a whole test stand myself.
After adopting Revel, our cadences between tests went from a matter of hours down to a couple of minutes. Simple changes to sequences could be done with 2 clicks of the button, and we were up and running again.
It's essentially replaced a test engineer or multiple test engineers and software engineers just with one single box.
In the past, we used to call them like software goblins. Like 50% of the time, either it was something out on the test stand or something with a software goblin. Those are not a thing anymore, and I can completely focus on our physical hardware. One thing that some of my technical mentors in the past have said is there's only one thing you can control on a rocket engine, and that's the valves. And the things that control the valves are the software. Revel basically allows us to control these valves on the order of 1/1000th of a second, 1/100th of a second, and align that timing so that we can control these monsters of an engine and control fire, basically.
If I didn't have Revel, we would have taken 10 million years to do it. The Revel box, how it communicates directly with Beckhoff and NI made it so simple. Like, all I had to do was go into the hardware config and set everything up.
Revel has seamlessly integrated into our company and allows us to test with zero worry.
I want to be able to just hit the ground running and basically no bullshit, just I want to test today.
Without Revel, I don't think we would be anywhere near where we are today.